Text number 7. Recording. 1. Reading. Emotions are a state or feeling that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are greatly direct or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, and compassion. We share positivism, joy to others by always trying to be positive. And cheerful emotions include anger, anxiety, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. 2. Minimal pairs. Cat, bed, white, wise, right, road, kite, night, take, steak, cough, cough, pen, bin, till, peel, teach, pitch, day, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, took, book, date, bait, tow, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tote, coat, tongue, gone, tie, guy, tap, gap, toll, goal, tag, gag, table, gable, tin, fan, tail, fire, tongue, fun, tick, vic. 3. Intonation. Statement with one thread. She works. We laugh. It stopped. Statement with two stressed. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statement with three straight. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote a letter very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Statement with five stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you bought yesterday. Special question, following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did you say? What did you say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Repeat rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? That she reads books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? Then haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I should do it, shall I? Come on, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, come to help me? Elena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerated rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomato. We need paper, pen, and pencil. Responses: I can, she is, he will, you should, I can, he didn't. Thank you so much.